Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bootable Ghost USB pen drive. This process allows you to create a powerful recovery tool for your computer. We'll cover everything from formatting your USB drive correctly to adding the essential Ghost files. By the end, you'll have a reliable bootable drive ready for system backups and restores. It's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of hassle. First, ensure your USB drive has sufficient space, ideally 4 GB or more. Next, you'll need to format the drive to FAT32. This file system offers the best compatibility for booting across various systems. Open your command prompt as an administrator and use diskpart commands to clean the drive, create a primary partition, and mark it active. This prepares the drive to receive the boot files. Now it's time to add the Ghost files. You'll need the Ghost executable, typically a .exe file, and any supporting DOS boot files. Copy these directly to the root directory of your newly prepared USB drive. Make sure all components, including any configuration files, are transferred. This ensures Ghost can launch correctly when you boot from the USB. Double-check that no files are missing for smooth operation. Finally, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the boot options and set your USB drive as the primary boot device. Save your changes and exit. Your computer should now boot directly into the Ghost environment from the USB. This allows you to perform system imaging and restoration tasks efficiently. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.